Hi, my name is Lynze. I'm an aircraft mechanic in Grand Rapids, Michigan. The aviation industry is very unique because every day is different. Even when you think you kind of know what your schedule is going to look like, something ends up coming up and always kind of keep you on your toes. The net zero carbon goal by 2050 is a great goal for the aviation industry. It is going to be quite difficult because at the present moment, we're kind of aimed to combat emissions versus actually make the transition to new equipment, reduce less emissions. The aviation industry is a very large industry that can have their hands in a lot of the forefront of newer technology and advancements in more sustainable efforts. So it's important that this push for environmental friendly operations are being done, but at the same time, for it to be practical and actually be carried out, then the government bodies need to actually put things in place so that it can be followed through and become more cost economical for companies as well as become more readily available. Work with us for a sustainable future for flight.